Welcome to the 4th edition of World CSR Day, presented to you by Blue Dart. My name is Dr. Raju Bhatia. Me, along with Blue Dart team, would like to heartily welcome you this morning for the World CSR Day. We are believers that change can happen if we decide to write our chapters very thoroughly and correctly. They could be interpreted the way they deserve to be interpreted. They could be read at leisure as we set example for people to emulate. 1947 is when we got our independence. But we grapple with many social problems that the strata is creating, not just in our society, but in our minds.
To start with, a very warm good morning to all of you, including the panel on the dais. A bit of background to state that I come from a company. I head a company which actually looks after consulting for corporations majorly and aligning their institutional social responsibility initiatives with the objectives of partners on the ground. We do not only limit ourselves to designing a campaign, but also to ensure that the resources are mobilized, they're managed, reported, audited, and submitted to the concerned regulatory authorities. The mandate has become a sort of a Kumbh Mela in the last 1 year from the time that it has come. Everyone seems to understand that corporate social responsibility is 2%. I differ from the very thought that corporations who think that corporate social responsibility in this part of the world is just 2%, it's a definition and it's a minimum that the government has stated that you will have to start to. What this mandate does, it brings more number of companies within the gambit of making the social responsibility investment. There are discussions, I was reading yesterday in an editorial that the finance minister is about to propose in the budget this year tax saving stops for social responsibility investments of 2% that have been made. I differ with the corporations to a certain extent that I will not say I differ, I sort of realign myself to the understanding of corporate social responsibility with that 2%. Corporate social responsibility in this part of the world is not 2% of the profit that you make. It cannot be a percentile of the money that you derive out of the business. It is 100% of the profit, and how do you make that profit?
Finnovation. Please be honored to clap for Finnovation.
Thank you very much to Dr. Bhatia and the organizers of this program. Well, I've spoken enough in 2 sessions from morning. I would just like to express my sense of gratitude for this recognition from my entire team back in Delhi who are looking forward to this. And I'm hoping to go back tomorrow to celebrate with them. This is the second year we're winning it, and I'm thoroughly encouraged, and I'm sure this will go a long way for us to be encouraged to keep coming back with good work and benefit people all the more to be declared the same team again and again. Thank you very much, Dr. Bhatia. Thank you.